We're at the Small Town Smokedown in Bassano, Alberta. They've got an amateur competition and then they've got the pros. But it's also a fun and chill day. Small Town Smokedown.
I'm Drew, and I'm a documentary filmmaker with a goal of visiting 25 towns in 2025. To get out and really explore the province and uncover the little gems, the small towns that are the heart of the province. I got to experience a town filled with the aroma of smoking meat as big barbecue competition met small town simmering conversation. There's something about coming together in a community to enjoy food. It's welcoming. Everyone I talked to, including the pros, were extremely friendly and let us experience some of their behind-the-scenes prep for the judges and even gave us a taste of their savory steaks. On top of that, we shopped the market, checked out an awesome car show, and got to go on a really cool tour of the Bassano Dam. The dam was actually built in about 5 years, starting operation in 1914 thanks to the newly constructed railway, which helped transport the materials to the area. During the dam tour, we got to go down under the structure, which was really cool, walking through a build that was over a century old. It definitely gave me an incredible appreciation for the history of the area. The dam, of course, makes the farming in the area thrive, because without it, the land goes through cycles of some pretty dry seasons. Bassano, a town claiming to be the best in the West by a dam site, is located about 140 kilometers east of Calgary and just west of Brooks along the Trans-Canada Highway. I'm sure I've passed by it many times, but now I know it's worth a slight detour. 5 kilometers is not bad at all. Now, I know this event is all about the food, so of course, we had to get there in time for the pancake breakfast. I can't say I've ever had the combination of pancakes and beef for breakfast, but that's what they were serving up, and it was delicious.
Pancake breakfast. How would you rate it?
I'd have to give it a solid 8.
Okay. I'm gonna go with 8.5. That's really good.
I'd have to go with like at least a 9.
Reserve champion, and these are the pork brisket chicken. That's pretty cool.
With our bellies full, we were ready to check out the events around town.
Let's just start off. We're here today because of barbecue and our car show down there. We really like this Bassano because they're close to the Bow River. They even have a dam there right on the Bow River, so it goes good with our name.
The Small Town Smokedown Barbecue Competition originally was comprised of just a pro competition. So we partnered with the Barbecue on the Bow Society. They are a KCBS sanctioned barbecue competition. This is one stop throughout the summer for pro barbecuers to come and compete. This is their chosen sport. They love it. They're very passionate, and you guys will get to see throughout the event just how far that passion goes.
All the competitors had to attend a meeting to be filled in on the rules and become a stakeholder in the event. Every team got 2 steaks to cook, and for a job well done, they got to take home a rare souvenir from the awards table. Okay, enough steak puns. While the teams were gathering and prepping for the cook-off, we decided to go check out the car show. Sheldon was a volunteer at the event, and he was really happy with the turnout.
And this year, man, I can't believe all the cars are showing up.
We're at the show off and show up
and show off.
Okay.
Bassano Car Show. The best car show by a damn sight. I had to throw that in because the town of Bassano is famous. Best little town by a damn sight. We got cars from Calgary, from Tabor, from all over the place. Awesome cars.
This is where you also see folks just sitting, showing off their pride and joy, and shooting the breeze.
What year is this again?
58.
It's a limited edition, right?
Well, they made them 3 years, 57, 58, 59, 4. So barely 500.
And we're hoping next year it's even better after this excellent interview.
Yeah, next year around probably the same time.
Yes.
You can come out to Bassano, show off your car, bring it out of the garage.
Bring out,
Like-
and the thing is, we're taking semis. We got the one semi here, as you can see. We don't care. Bring out your tractor. If you got a certain tractor that you love, that you like to show it off, it's a show up and show off. It's all relaxed and easy going around here.
What's one of the best things about living in Bassano?
The best thing about living in Bassano is a small town. I love small towns.
We headed back to the cooking area, and teams were stoking the fire and getting the coals hot and ready. The smoke down was getting started. We talked to a few amateur guys, and it was pretty interesting to see the different methods, from barbecues to custom-made cook stoves.
You have a special kind of rub seasoning, like
Yeah, we did some playing with it. It's 2 different rubs. Yeah.
rub different.
Oh, we'll take the best of the 2.
We're gonna get the grill about 500 degrees, put your steak down, get your nice cross hatches, take them to whatever their secret temperature is, and we need to have 6 slices for the judges. Let it rest, some butter on it.
It's a heat stove originally, and there's a spacer built in here to bring our briquettes up to the elevation we want them.
That's supposed to be your air intake, and that's your exhaust.
This was nothing, though, compared to what we found at the pro count. Most of these guys had it all boiled down to a science, timing every stage to the second. We ran into a team who was selected to cook up some pork shoulder for folks to grab at a toonie for a taste, and they gave us a taste. And I'm gonna say it was delectable.
Usually this piece we would separate it, and we'll call this the money muscle, so you usually don't cook it to 205. You go to about 185, and it's called the money muscle. You win tournament with this.
Oh yeah.
Just like this, you will slice it in a nice slice. It's so tender, so juicy. It's just fantastic.
Every event, we do a potluck. All the teams do something, and then at 6 o'clock on Saturday, which is today, the teams do all a potluck together.
A town does help raise kids.
The small town thing is great, actually. Everybody comes together. In bigger cities, you don't really see too much of that. When there's events like this, it's like everybody just comes out of the woodworks.
We talked to more teams and watched them turn over their meat. Chris from Sass Candyman Smoke and Barbecue let me document the prepping and plating process.
It gets more intense because there's $5,000 on the line for the entire competition. So people travel to do this to be able to get a chance at that grand champion.
A little plug here for these guys, because some of them have their own sauces and rubs, and they sell them and use them in these pro competitions. With the pieces plated and shuffled off for the judges, there was leftover steak for us to try, and try we did. So good.
Sounds good.
I'm no judge, and I'm glad I'm not, because that would be a tough call.
Oh, yeah. That's got some flavor. That just like melts in your mouth.
And with that said, after enjoying a little bit of music, the judges made their decision and the awards were given out.
Well, here we go. That's second place. And we're gonna see who's first place.
And the 4th annual Small Town Smoke Down champion for the pro state competition is Brisket Butts.
There you go.
And this was only the start. These pros would be grilling through the night to cook up more savory meats for the Sunday finals.
And our 4th annual Small Town Smoke Down amateur state grand champion is Burn It Down.
That was enough for us, though. Bassano did not disappoint. A town with a lot of water, a good warm fire, and a nice wind to go with it. There's something about a fire that brings a community together, whether you're sitting around it for warmth or cooking something to nourish. The flames kindle relationships and conversation. Yeah, it was a smoking good time with a really friendly bunch of townsfolk. I feel like it's fitting that my first town offered a fire that ignites this journey of hitting 25 towns in 2025. Here we go. We're just getting started.
Live free.